UCertify offers Foundation of Data Analytics course prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the Foundation of Data Analytics course today with UCertify. The course provides skills required to use data topologies, data analytics tools, business statistics, and data visualization with the working and value of data. In this course, you will receive pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. The UCertify course consists of interactive lessons and learning resources with flashcards, quizzes, and glossary terms. It has video tutorials to make your learning more interactive. UCertify comes complete with hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you will receive post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from UCertify. Upon course completion, you will gain an understanding of the following concepts: the working and value of data, data topologies and governance, business statistics, optimization and forecasting, data analytics tools, and data visualization. Our course is also available on the UCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about UCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.